Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, in this place, we say it the way it is. We say the truth, nothing but the truth. That is why we are here. Now, something happened few days back when Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, and some of the Biafra and Abazonia brothers that lives in Russia. Something happened that they made a video acknowledging themselves as Biafrans and Abazonia, hailing themselves and being happy about it. A lot of people shared the video saying, "Oh, look at Biafra army that lives in Russia." I did not see anybody saying they are Biafra armies that are about to go to Biafra land to fight or to do one or two things. You know that in this place, as I said before, nothing but the truth. So a lot of people are really misunderstanding the information, or a lot of people don't really know exactly what is happening and what led to the brother coming out to say he's not interested in this, he's not interested in the Biafra Prime Minister army and all that. But before then, I want to see the video that he made that warrants all this talking and that. So let's listen to him and I'll be right back.
Wow. Ta Ambazonia. Biafra. Ta
yeah.
Man. Wow.
So after this little clip you are seeing, a lot of people start sharing the video saying, "Oh, look at Biafrans, they are doing well, they are among the people fighting for Russia and all that." Likewise, the same way Simon Ekpa carried the video and he said, "Biafra soldiers are doing it in foreign land." He did not say Biafra soldiers are doing it in Biafra land or in Nigeria. He said Biafra soldiers are doing it in foreign land. Nigeria should wait till 2nd December to see the final woto. And after which, a lot of people start typing, saying, "Oh, they are doing well, they are proud of their own, this, that." But he never used the word that this guy or this our brother is Biafra Liberation Army. No, he only said Biafrans are doing it in Biafra in foreign land. That was the way he presented it, of which a lot of people, according to what I heard, that a lot of people carried it and they were saying, "Oh, this is Biafra Liberation Army, this is Biafra Liberation Army, they are fighting, they are doing this." But it did not come from the office of Simon Ekpa. It did not come from Simon Ekpa. It did not write it that this is Biafra Liberation Army. I wish Simon Ekpa wrote it and said, "This is Biafra Liberation Army." Then I know a lot of people will really speak out, but he never do that. He said Biafra are doing it in a foreign land, that the government of Nigeria should wait till 2nd of December to see the final woto. So a lot of people are saying that, oh, he referred to this guy as one of the Biafra Liberation Army. Now, this our brother now sent a message to Simon Ekpa regarding his video that was posted, or what he wrote in the caption of the picture. Now listen to him and I'll be right back.
Go be work 11. I am Bokoma Samuel Kechko. Eshim from Uzi, the Niger Tamat, local government, or low province, Biafra land, today known as Imo State. Since 3 days, friends has been sending me my award photo because him and Otambu, a black guy, fighting in favor of Russia. You understand? So it's something that is not common. So my video I can go viral. I'm a celebrity soldier in Russia currently. So this is a modern war. All technology is in place. So anything I believe them in Africa, you understand? Either helmet, camera, and a Google or drone. I capture. So all those things I can go viral in Russia. So me picture more too much and video and some oppressions. my Russian media site. So, but to my greatest surprise, my attention was drawn to my video Simon Ekpa posted. They sent me the video, they sent me the pictures, and some of the ones they post through from different blogs carry the pictures. So to me, I don't like it. So him gave me video now, okay, to Sarania, Uru Simon Ekpa as soon as possible, because since I thought I'm not right, I'm going to email him or back and see it. I like it. Then we picture but what them will be. So him gave me video, I would hit it this morning. Now, I'm for another one from different blog. So the team so I can just can make video. And when I'm few people, it's just family and friends coming on my Facebook. So just help me share this thing. Anyhow you can, just let it get to Simon Ekpa as soon as possible, or to whom it may concern. I'm a proud Biafran boy. You understand? I don't know you, Simon Ekpa, anything you are doing. I don't even follow any of your page. So to me, I think it's not proper for you to use my picture on whatsoever you think you are doing without my consent. I didn't buy that idea. So I appeal with you and I mandate you today, 12th of May 2024, take down my photos and video from your platform. And for public notice, don't allow yourself to be manipulated or scammed by any chance using my photo and my video. You understand? All my life I have been identifying myself Biafra. Ever since I knew who we are. My father fought Biafra war, so I was not giving birth like so many of us as Nigerians. Yes, I was giving birth as a Nigerian, but I wasn't having an idea of a Nigerian, because right from childhood my father educated me well, especially suffering of Biafra during 1966, 1967. So me, I choose my origin. I can't be another. I must be who I am. So anywhere I am, I identify myself as a Biafran, and I'm proud of it. You understand? So, but what I don't like is somebody to take advantage of it to use my video for whatsoever. I don't like it. Okay? I don't like it. And when I'm Simon, I'm a very serious guy. You should hit this. And please take down my photos and my videos on his platform. I'm a woman, what I work at mom case, I work with me, I thought I'm straight to the point. So because yes, Russia is my second home, and there is a generational call to defend Russian Federation, and I volunteer. I'm a volunteer fighter. You understand? We Biafrans, we are the bravest black people on earth. If you don't know, go and check. So if you're a Biafran, be proud of yourself and identify as well. You understand? So go Sarah Mosier. Let us get to Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa, as soon as you receive this video, bring down my photos from your page. I don't want it. I don't want to be included in anything. You, Simon Ekpa.
Now, after this video circulated, Simon Ekpa, on the other hand, respond to this our brother. He said, "Now listen to this idiot. Where did Simon Ekpa claims that you are Biafra Liberation Army? You put on Biafra flag and make video of yourself shouting Biafra and Abazonia. And I posted it. How does that make me president of Russia or change the fact of our policy that those of you who hide under Biafra but as sabos will be dealt with in due time? Tell this idiot to face front, who need his validation to believe in me. I have seen his type. When the time comes, he should summon courage and stand in my front and talk rubbish. You claim to be fighting for Russia and your village is burning or your village is being destroyed by Nigeria on daily basis, are you not an idiot? Because a lot of people have been circulating the video, calling us Simon Ekpa, say, oh, come and see, they have warned you, they have sent you a warning message, don't refer to this our brother as a Biafra Liberation Army, he is not, blah blah blah. So we can still see the response for Simon Ekpa telling the general public that he never referred to him as Biafra Liberation Army. I think that a lot of people are trying to just cook up stories for it to look like Simon Ekpa claimed that this person is a member of Biafra Liberation Army. But according to the message sent by this our brother, I said he don't want to have anything to do with Simon Ekpa, and he don't want any of his video, his picture to be in the a platform of Simon Ekpa, because he assumed that his picture being in that place is a negative effect on his own part. We don't really know his motive behind it, but this is everything that happened. So I have bring it here for you to know the genesis to the revelation of what happened, because a lot of people are confused. They only saw the video that he made warning Simon Ekpa not to temper with his personality, that is not a member of Biafra Liberation Army. Meanwhile, some persons did not see the first video that he made before, when he was chanting Biafra in Amazonia, that prompted Simon Ekpa to post the video and all these things that happen. So I believe that a lot of people has followed the issue now, and they have understand from the left to the right what happened, what brought about the warning, what brought about the video and everything. So my beloved family, I still want to drop your opinion in the comment section. A lot of people are saying, oh, this our brother would have not said all those things about Simon Ekpa, he should have just forget about it. And a lot of people still said, oh, Simon Ekpa never referred to him as Biafra Liberation Army, that Simon Ekpa only shared the video because he called on Biafra and Amazonia, being happy, identifying himself as a Biafra. So that is the reason why Simon Ekpa shared the video. Why a lot of people said, no, Simon Ekpa would have not shared the video, he referred to the guy as Biafra Liberation Army. So now, what is your take on all this issue that is happening? I want to drop your opinion in the comment section, because we are learning every day. Your opinion matters. Thank you so much, and please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I bring all the updates to you back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.